Hello everyone. Today we will take a journey through abandoned places where classic cars lie in silence, waiting for a chance to be revived. These cars are not just vehicles, they are works of art that carry fascinating stories and memories from a bygone era. Let's explore the journey of discovering the hidden beauty within these forgotten automobiles. An auto junkyard is a world full of mystery and fascination, where old, used cars are stacked upon each other, creating a unique landscape. Each vehicle here carries its own story, from the memories of its owner to the journeys it has undertaken. These cars are not just scrap, they are a valuable resource for enthusiasts who repair and restore them. In the junkyard, you can find rare parts, usable components, and even unique decorative items. Moreover, the atmosphere of exploration and creativity is ever present, as car lovers seek opportunities to transform seemingly worthless items into vibrant works of art. An auto junkyard is truly an intriguing place where the past and the future intersect, offering endless possibilities for those who dare to dream. If you're looking for a used Dodge 4x4, particularly a power wagon, there are many options available on the market. Prices typically start around $4,000 and can vary depending on the condition and year of the vehicle. You can find these models on websites such as Hemmings and ClassicCars.com. Currently, there are approximately 12 power wagons for sale, making it easier for you to track and choose the vehicle that best suits your needs. Classic cars, abandoned vehicles, and upgraded rides often hold intriguing discoveries for car enthusiasts. These vehicles, ranging from unique rat rods to vintage and antique models, are not just modes of transportation but also symbols of culture and history. Rat rods, crafted from parts of various cars, showcase the creativity and personal style of their builders. Exploring rural areas and abandoned warehouses to find these cars is not only an adventure, but also a way to connect with the automotive industry's cultural heritage. In the world of classic cars, vehicles that are no longer operational or lack many components often end up abandoned in junkyards. Here, these cars are not merely waste, but valuable resources for parts and components. Many junkyards specialize in selling vehicle parts rather than waiting for the cars to be repaired and resold. This helps maximize the value of these vehicles before they are crushed. However, keeping classic cars can also pose legal risks, as they may become safety hazards or face complaints if not handled properly. Therefore, in some cases, unsellable cars may face the fate of being crushed, highlighting the harsh realities of the classic car market and the fact that what is deemed worthless is quickly discarded. Muscle cars, with their powerful sports design and outstanding engines, always capture the attention of car enthusiasts. Among them, the Cuda is regarded as the holy grail of this genre, standing out with its perfect blend of attractive styling and impressive performance. Additionally, GM and Mopars' alphabetical classification system aids collectors in easily identifying and categorizing models with similar chassis, enhancing the value of these classic cars among fans. Abandoned Cadillacs in junkyards are indeed a poignant sight. These luxury vehicles, once symbols of class and style, now lie discarded, enduring the ravages of time and nature. The beautiful interiors and intricate design lines are now just memories, having lost the care and attention they once received. This scene not only evokes nostalgia for the glorious past of these Cadillacs, but also prompts reflection on the value of what was once considered precious, now left forgotten. Finding classic cars in old barn finds, is an exciting experience for car enthusiasts, offering the chance to restore and revive forgotten treasures. Similarly, rescuing old cars from scrapyards is equally captivating. These vehicles can be transformed into works of art through the restoration process, bringing new life to what was once abandoned. Each trip to a scrapyard presents an opportunity to search for unique cars, allowing treasure hunters to uncover hidden gems and create intriguing stories in their automotive journeys. In a tranquil countryside in England, there lies a mysterious car graveyard, home to legendary models that once captivated hearts. These cars, once symbols of luxury and sophisticated engineering, now rest beneath layers of moss and the dust of time. Each vehicle carries its own story, from memorable journeys to glorious moments on the streets. While it's disheartening to see them abandoned, the desolation itself creates a unique beauty that captivates car enthusiasts. The scene is like a living painting, where the past and present intertwine, evoking memories and sparking imagination about the adventures these cars have experienced. The Mopars Event at Red Barns will take place on Saturday, July 27, 2024, at the Gilmore Car Museum in Michigan. As one of the largest car shows dedicated to Chrysler products, this event promises an exciting and inspiring day for attendees. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., the event will feature over 350 cars along with various antiques, providing a fantastic opportunity for Mopar enthusiasts to meet, connect, and share their passion. In addition to admiring classic and rare vehicles, participants can enjoy a range of other engaging activities. It's sure to be a memorable day for anyone who loves cars and Mopar culture. The Carlisle Chrysler Nationals 2024 will take place from July 12th to 14th, 2024, and is one of the largest events for car enthusiasts and the Chrysler brand. The event will showcase nearly 3,000 vehicles from every era of the Chrysler brand, including classic cars and famous muscle models. Notably, 2024 also marks the 20th anniversary of the Dodge Ram SRT, promising a range of exciting and engaging activities for attendees. This will be a fantastic opportunity for car enthusiasts to meet, share their passion, and admire unique vehicles. Rockin' August is a 5-day car and music festival held in the St. Albert community, Canada, aimed at raising funds for the Alberta Diabetes Foundation. The 2024 festival promises a range of exciting activities, including appealing awards to be announced at the end of Tuesday, August 13th. Cash prizes will also be awarded to participants. Additionally, local police are seeking video footage related to an incident that occurred during the event. Rockin' August not only showcases beautiful vehicles, but also provides an opportunity for the community to connect and support one another. Junkyard 100 Acre is a huge classic car warehouse, famous for its diverse collection of iconic Impala models. Here you can find the 58 Impala, 64 Impala Wagon, and 65 Impala Convertible, along with many rare components for those who are passionate about restoring classic cars. In addition to looking for parts, many people are also interested in renovating Impala models from 1958 to 1964. Chassis Fast Track has become a popular choice, providing upgraded performance and a good driving experience than for these cars. The combination of history, culture, and techniques in classic car restoration will certainly bring many interesting experiences to anyone who visits Junkyard 100 Acre. The 1967 Sunbeam Tiger Mk1A was a two-door sports car famous for its beautiful design and strong performance, equipped with a V8 engine. With its classic design and impressive performance, this car has attracted the attention of many car enthusiasts. Multiple walk-around videos of the vehicle clearly show its design details and condition, giving viewers a deeper insight into the beauty and value of the Sunbeam Tiger Mk1A. Recently, the car was auctioned in Birmingham in November 2023, attracting great interest from investors and car lovers. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of exploring abandoned classic cars. The images and stories we've encountered today surely leave us with reflections on the value of time and history. If you found this video interesting, please share it and subscribe to our channel to join us in discovering more amazing things in the future. See you next time.